Hello, this is Jonathan Castellanos. I'm gonna be doing lab demonstration 3 for my design of TG resistance class, and I'm gonna be following up the table. First of all, I'm gonna start with the adder, and before I begin adding, I have my section A right here. Then I also have my section B from switch 5 all the way to 0. You can see it works, and then these 4 bits are my selectors right here. I'm gonna start by doing the adder without the carry, which is leaving the selector at 0, and using one of the switches, and that would be my adder. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the adder with a carry. That's my adder with a carry. Then I'm gonna do the subtraction after that. For that one, I'm gonna switch and I'm gonna do this one, and then let's say 7 and 8, and then that's for the selector. It's gonna be this one. That's the subtraction right there. Then I also have the subtraction spiral. That's that one. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the multiplications now. What I'm gonna do for that one, I'm gonna do do 5, 4, and then I'm also gonna switch 10, and then on the table says 180. That's a multiply, and then I'm gonna do the multiply habits. So this is the multiplier habits, and then this is the multiplier low bits. Then I'm gonna move on to the bitwise. I'm gonna do not A. And then I'm gonna do A and B, bitwise A and B. So yeah, that's A and B. That's an AND, and then I'm gonna do an OR. OR should be this one is an OR. That is an OR. This one's the A, and the source should be this one. Now I'm gonna move on to the shift logical. I'm gonna switch this one, and I'm gonna do, say, 9. And then for that one, I gotta flip 1 and 1. So that's my shift logical right there. And then shift right logical. That's my shift right. And then shift right arithmetic should be this one. And that's it. That's our lab demonstration for lab 3.